Hello everybody, it is time for an unboxing, a USN case unboxing from Hot Wheels. We've done the international case, it's time to do the US case. I try and give them both to you. And of course, this case came from A&J Toys. Give it a pause, there's the information, go to the website, order to your heart's content, whatever you want. So many cool Hot Wheels things. We're starting to move into 2019. 2018 is coming to an end. I already did the quick case report from the Q case, which is the final basic case of 2018. And then we'll be moving on to 2019. But let's take a look at the end case. Some of you are starting to find the end case in stores. I think I've seen it at, I've heard of people finding it at Targets. I don't know if I've heard anything about Walmart yet. So that's what this case will be. We've done the international case. Like to compare them. Sometimes they're exactly the same. Other times they're very, very different. So let's go ahead and open these up and just see what is inside. And we start with probably the star of this case. It's the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Then it's the Dodge Charger SRT in purple. And then it is the Rising Heat. I believe that the Silverado debuted in the case before, but I start, when we do these case reports, or these unboxings, they sure get mixed up pretty quickly. There's the motorcycle like that's in every case. I wonder if they're going to do that in 2019. Beautiful VW T2 pickup, and then the Solar Reflex. Mad props, and then two of the black convertible Mustang GTs, 2015. Seems like all of these Checkmate cars have gone white. I saw that in the Q case. What was it? The Cuda. The King Cuda is now white. So the Mustang, there's the Rally Cat, Mustang Rally Cat, and then the Fast Forward. So it seems like they're all in black, and then they've all moved to white, I assume, so you can have a little contest, right? You can have a little chess match. Black versus white. There you go. All right, two of the 2017 Audis. RS6 Avant, one of the stars of 2018, in my view, especially that Super Treasure Hunt. And then the Groo-mobile. Plenty of those. Here's some colorful cars. The Fast Fish. And then the 69 Chevelle. And the Cloak and Dagger. Dune Daddy, two of those. Are you guys collecting all these 50th anniversary cars? I think the final one will be in that Q case. Let me know if you're collecting all those. And there's another one of those, that cool Chevy Silverado. Porsche Panamera, 1970 Roadrunner, and the Bubble-matic. Roadrunner was, casting was redone, which is nice, and I think a lot of the old school Hot Wheels collectors are happy to see that. There'd been an error with that for so long. 70 Pontiac Firebird, two of those, and the Motosaurus. Bogzilla, and the High Roller, two of those clear cars. Kick Kart, Street Stealth, and the Morris Mini. I believe that's new in that case, for sure. All right, and then the final three of the first half of the case, two of the Fiat 500, and then the Porsche 917 LH. My thought is if you're going to get the Super, it's going to be one of these two, so you'll get one of these, and then if they have the Super, the other one will be that kind of bronze, burnt orange color or whatever it is. Still don't know why it was done the way it was done, but the Super in this case is that Fiat 500. Got cars falling all over the place. We'll let that happen. There, little Track Manga wants to get out first. That's okay. Should be another one there, and there is Backdrafter, and then the Track Manga. Radical Racer, 2017 Camaro ZL1, not Moon Eyes. Velocita. Recolor of the Ford F1, and then the Ram 1500. Lots of pickups in this case, and if I remember, we'll encounter a few Porsches as well, right? We already saw the Panamera. 69 Camaro Z28, Spectre, and then the 2009 Ford F-150. I'm assuming there's a treasure hunt in here too, but I may have already seen it. I'm not sure. Skate Brigade, love the wheels on that. 2 of the DeLorean. DMC DeLorean. Shark Bite, and then 2 of the 69 Chevelle. See those Barbie cars. Those seem to be getting picked up by everybody. So there's 2 of those in the N case, and then another Bogzilla. Recolor of the Batmobile. Zombot. And then the 70 Chevelle wagon. Wagon, Fiat, and then the motorcycle, whatever that one's called. Lots of those. Every case. Ford Focus RS, 2 of those. From the Art Car series, and then another Groo-mobile. Beautiful Porsche 918 Spyder in red. 67 Mustang, and then the Patina 53 or 55 Chevy. And then we're almost done. Lamborghini Huracan LP 620-2 Super Trofeo. And then the 87 Dodge D100. And to finish off this N case, Electrac, and then the Kick Cart. Having done the Q case and the N case, now the US N case, and then recently doing the P case, it seems like Hot Wheels really front-loaded this year, which is fine. It's their 50th anniversary. I can see why they would have done it. I mean, the Audi coming out later and stuff, but it seems like with the Skylines and everything else, there's been we're going to be reviewing this year here at the end. Now that we're once I finish this Q case unboxings, we'll do a whole year in review for Hot Wheels. Still a few other things, premium items to come out first before we start it, but an amazing year because it's the 50th anniversary. But the basics are kind of coming out quietly. You tell me what you think on those cases as well. There you go. US N case. Next case to open will be the International Q, then we'll do the USP, and then, of course, the US Q as well. So a few more, and then we'll close out the basic range for 2018 and move to 19. Thanks, everybody. Tell me what you think. Bye.